It doesn't matter how amazing your parents might have been or how amazing your childhood, most likely you picked up some trauma along the way. Just because we're human and this is part of our evolution is to go, okay, I process this as trauma, whether it was meant to be trauma or not, doesn't matter. You process it as trauma. And how can I rewire that? And it doesn't happen in the moment of extreme panic. It happens before that moment. It happens in the everyday. It happens in the daily practices you have. And so my offering to you in this video is first for you to recognize your childhood. Just be open about it. Say, oh, okay. If you came from chaos, you either are stirring up chaos even more because that's your thermostat. You're constantly creating chaos in your life and things to always go that are just feel out of control because that's your normal. And if it's too calm, then you're like, whoa, what's going to happen? What's going to happen? So you're going to turn it up. Or you're someone who's, I just do not want to shake anything up. I want things to be so neutral and I'm not going to get out of my comfort zone because I'm not sure what's around the other corner. So first recognizing that. And then what you're going to do every single day is you're going to do breath work. Now, this is all the rage, but I cannot stress it enough, the power of your breath to alchemize your nervous system. So what you're going to do in the morning is you can even do it laying in bed. You would just breathe all the way into your belly because most of us are breathing through our chest. Breathe all the way into your belly and then slowly exhale out. So try this, breathing in for 20 counts. Most of you are breathing in for 5 counts and you're thinking you're already there. Try going 20. Breathing all the way in and seeing if you can fill up oxygen all the way down into the lower region of your belly, and then slowly letting that out for 20 breaths. You're going to do that 10 times every morning because this is where you re-regulate. So when the time comes, you're more regulated. Okay. So you're going to do that every single morning. The other thing is you're going to do affirmations. What I'll do in the morning too is I will tell myself I'm safe. I'll look in my eyes and tell myself I'm safe. I love myself. When you communicate with the pupils of your eyes, you're going into the soul. They always say the eyes of the soul. Your eyes are the window of your soul. And have you ever taken time to just look straight into your eyes, into the pupils and beyond, to just say, I love you? You're going to communicate with the eyes of your soul. I trust in the process of life. These are all affirmations you can take and use every day if you would like. I trust in the process of life. I am safe. I love myself. My life as an adult is safe. Some of you, I can feel the emotion that might be coming up just even saying those words. I'm safe in adventure. I'm safe in newness. Saying those words over and over in the morning, and it can be like 30 seconds. It doesn't have to be long. The breath work, doing that 10 times, takes maybe 2 to 3 minutes. So you can see this isn't something that's really drawn out, but it's a practice that you do every single day just to regulate your nervous system so that when you do get into a scenario that is new, the body, the subconscious is already prepped ahead of time for you to be able to navigate. The other thing, once you're in a scenario that you're like, whoa, because I've been in them, where I've been like, okay, I did not predict this. This does not feel good. I'm feeling really amped up. I'm feeling jarred. I feel threatened. I feel all sorts of emotion. I will go into what I call a box breath. There's a technique called box breathing where you just close your eyes. And anytime you're in a really hectic situation or you can feel your nervous system rising and you're feeling out of control, you can just pull over 2 minutes. That's all it takes. All you're going to do is just breathe in for the count of 4, hold for the count of 4, exhale out slowly for the count of 4, hold for the count of 4, and then breathe and repeat that again, and then hold, and then breathe out for 4. And this counting, this system helps calm the nervous system, calm the mind, and regulate everything down. This is not a new concept. The snipers use this. Anyone in high-stressed government positions use this method. They teach this to elderly people that are actually panicking or people who are having panic attacks.